Are you beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you how I am going to trim my fussy hair. If you haven't watched my previous video on how I stretched my hair with Africa threading, please do check it out. And in that video I mentioned I was going to trim my hair soon. So here we are. Let's jump into it. First of all, I went ahead and sectioned my hair into 4. As you can see what I am doing. By sectioning my hair, it makes it easier for me to walk through. I sectioned my hair into 4. I will be needing the leave-in condition, white tooth comb, more clips just in case, some water, and a professional scissors. Please, when you're doing your trimming, you need a professional scissors. Do not use the scissors from your kitchen, okay? Let's get it started. So I'm just gonna part my hair. As you can see, I took few strands of my hair. I will detangle with my hand first to make it easier for me to comb. Now I will go ahead and spread my hand with some water and rub it through my hair. Walk it through again. Did you guys see how my hands look like? It is very, very rough and my ends are full with knots. I will add a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna comb it through and start trimming. Guys, I mentioned the Africa threading at the beginning. If you haven't watched it, the main reason why I stretched my hair is because I was going to trim my hair soon. Because by stretching my hair, it makes it easier for me, okay? My hair is really full with a lot of knots. The best way to get rid of this knot is by trimming my hair. I don't want the knots to be obstacle to the growth of my hair. So let's get these knots out. I haven't trimmed for a really long time, seriously. This is going to be my biggest trimming ever since the beginning of my hair journey. The last time I trimmed was April 24 last year. Can you guys imagine? It is a very long time. So that is how the ends of my hair looks like, and it is very, very rough, trust me. You guys can see, but my hair is full with knots. I just went ahead and trimmed all the knots out of my hair because this is really needed. It is needed. Don't be afraid to trim your hands if you have knots, because the knots might reduce the growth of your hair. Did you guys see what I'm doing? Just try to comb, stretch with my hand, and try to see if there is any messy ends, and I take it off with the scissors. So I will go ahead and twist it back. The reason why I didn't spray my hair directly with the water is because my hair shrinks very fast. If I spray the hair directly, it's gonna shrink in a second, because that is how my hair look like. My hair is very kinky, so I don't want it to shrink, to make the trimming easier for me. Please do not comb your hair when it's dried, okay? Even sometimes, like, my hair is not fully wet, but I still try to wet my hair a bit, finger detangled, moisturize with leave-in conditioner or shea butter before I comb my hair. I don't comb my hair when it's dried, okay? Because you're gonna break your hair, trust me. We don't want that. Did you guys see how I am trimming the ends? Just the ends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Invite them to also subscribe to my channel. And it might help them out, seriously, because you never know. You don't just never know. In total, trimming my hair, it took me 2 hours 45 minutes, okay? The whole hair took me 2 hours 45 minutes. It was fun doing this, seriously. I really enjoyed doing it because I like taking care of my hair, maintaining my hair. So this is nice, giving my hair some maintenance, showing my hair some love. Isn't it? Did you guys see? Now I will go to the next one and repeat the same, okay? So this is how I trimmed my hair. Let me know in the comment section, what did you guys think? If I did it right or not. Or how did you trim your fussy hair? Did you have a best technique? Let me know down below. Please do watch the video to the end, because there is something at the end of the video you don't want to miss, okay? After the trimming, my hair was really pumpy. Trust me, my hair was pumping, shiny. My hair feel heavier. It is thicker. My hair is thicker already, by the way, but you know, the thickness, it just make it more shiny to me, because I think the knocks really make my hair a bit messy, and you know, all my ends was everywhere, like a bit crazy. Now I can see after the trimming, my hair was like, everything was like equal, rhymed together, and I really love the trimming. I really love it, by the way. It was really nice. I just feel my hair was healthier after the trimming, seriously. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. As I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.